guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone feels well and staying safe. If you are new here, welcome, and if you like my video, please keep watching and don't forget to press like, subscribe with notification bell. It really helps. أهلا وسهلا بكم مرة أخرى في زارا هاندكرافتس. إذا كنتم أول مرة تشاهدون الفيديو فأهلا وسهلا بكم، وإذا عجبكم الفيديو استمروا بالمشاهدة مع الضغط على زر اللايك والاشتراك مع تفعيل الجرس ليصلكم كل جديد. Today my project is a placemat. So for this project, all I need: jute, cardboard, natural jute cord from Dollar Tree, Bonnie Craft cord from Hobby Lobby, hot glue gun, and scissor. Let's get started. نرسم دائرة على الكرتون هذا، بس لازم تكون أكبر من هذا الصحن اللي هو اسمه شارجر. Then I made a circle on the jute. It has to be bigger than the cardboard, so I can fold the excess jute. نرسم دائرة على هذا الخيش الجوت تكون أكبر من هاي الكرتون حتى نقدر نلصقها ونطويها. Then I have to glue the edges. All around it. Now I have to glue the cord and begins from the center. I have to do the same step till the end, but I have to leave like 1 centimeter at the end, and I will show you what I will do. I actually left less than 1 centimeter around the circle. Then take a cardboard, it's almost 8 centimeters. Use jute cord and wrap it like that. After that, pull it and put it from one side and cut it like that. After that, took the jute cord, fold it in half like that, put this end outside and under the jute, this one, and take this end, the other end, and pull it like that. I will repeat it again. Fold it in half, put it under it, the end outside, put it under it, and pull the other end. And do this all around it. Like that. I'm done with it. After that, I have to glue it around the circle. All around it. Now I'm done with the gluing, so now I have to cut the excess cord like that and glue the end. Like that. So this is how I set up the placemats on the dining table. They are really beautiful. And next video I'll show you how to set up a dining table. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. مع السلامة.